Morning. This is the first time that we've actually had our batteries on our truck camper down this low. We've been camping, just boondocking for the last couple of days, so we have been using our batteries. We have the truck now, so that's that minus 860 something watts. That's from the truck, and we'll use the combination of the truck charging as well as the solar as we're driving, because it is very sunny today, just not in the area that we're in because of all the trees.
We continue south to our next destination, which is about an hour north of Charleston. While I have a good track record for finding camping spots, my ability to find quick, interesting stops for lunch is just above horrible. I continued my streak this time by choosing a park near Lake Waccamaw, which ended up taking us an extra 45 minutes out of the way. It was a pretty lake though. My lunch location caused us to arrive at the Santee Coastal Reserve just as the sun was going down. I'm glad we were able to find a spot in this first come, first serve campground. The next morning, we headed out to explore some of the hiking trails at the campground. This reserve has 24,000 acres and has several trails that are great for watching waterfowl and shorebirds. Since we visited in January, we didn't have to fight with too many of those mosquitoes. That being said, we did wear some bug spray going out into the marshes. As other reviews say, gallons of DEET doesn't help in the summer months, so try to visit this place during the winter.
Make sure we don't step in that fire campsite.
Yeah, I'd say so.
There are 8 campsites at Santee, and all have a fire pit and a picnic table. These sites were large and well spaced. Solar was a bit more difficult due to the large, beautiful trees, but was doable for parts of the day. We did have to supplement with a generator for a few hours, again, mainly due to my computer usage. Camping was free, but they ask you to register on your way out, which was quick and easy. We're headed on our second hike to the El Dorado Trail. Yesterday, we took the Big Well Trail.
Think so? Alrighty, let's go.
This way, looks like it probably take us to
Velociraptor.
chimney of sorts. It's a crazy person in the woods. Pretty cool piece of cat equipment out here in the swamp. Got a long boom on it.
Wildcat in the forest. Camouflage is insufficient in the winter. Don't let them get ya! Large claws. What nasty big pointy teeth.
And just like that, we're back on the road again. Our next destination is just over the Georgia border and throwing distance from Savannah. We're staying at Skidaway Island State Park.
It's definitely a shipyard. That's a big. Oh, a lot of cats in the wild. Lots and lots and lots of cats. Man, they got like a whole. I guess so. There is a crap ton there.
I decided to get up a little early and explore some of the trails here at Skidaway Island. I was greeted by Bambi and her friends, just a few sites away from our camper.
It's a bird out of his natural habitat.
Yeah. Ferns and furry trees. That's what I'm saying.
Imagine how squishy that'd be. It's like a big sponge.
We found a rare sighting. Forest gnome. He doesn't talk too much though. Alright, I want to go on to the record saying this is total false advertising. No moonshine for you.